anticipatory anxiety, adjustment disorder, and post-traumatic stress. A predictive threat framework. Anticipatory anxiety, adjustment disorder, and post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, are commonly discussed as distinct psychological conditions. Although each differs in its diagnostic criteria, temporal orientation, and clinical presentation, they share important features involving the brain's capacity to predict, interpret, and regulate threat. Rather than viewing these conditions as opposite psychological states, they may be more accurately understood as different manifestations of a predictive threat processing system that has become dysregulated in different ways. Anticipatory anxiety is fundamentally future-oriented. Under ordinary circumstances, the brain continuously generates predictions about possible future events in order to prepare adaptive responses. This predictive capacity is essential for survival, allowing individuals to anticipate challenges, allocate resources, and minimize potential harm. Anticipatory anxiety emerges when this normally adaptive process becomes excessively focused on uncertain future threats. The individual increasingly attempts to predict negative outcomes, mentally rehearse worst-case scenarios, and reduce uncertainty through repeated cognitive simulation. Psychologically, this state is characterized by the implicit belief, something might happen, and I need to prepare for it. The system itself is not dysfunctional. Rather, its threat monitoring processes have become disproportionately activated relative to the actual level of danger. Adjustment disorder represents a different disruption within the same broad system of adaptation. Unlike anticipatory anxiety, the precipitating event has already occurred. The challenge is no longer predicting a future threat, but recalibrating emotional and behavioral responses, following a significant life stressor, such as bereavement, illness, occupational loss, relationship dissolution, or major life transition. Most individuals gradually adapt to such disruptions as new information is incorporated into their expectations about the world. In adjustment disorder, however, this recalibration process is prolonged or incomplete. Emotional distress, rumination, anxiety, and functional impairment persist beyond what would ordinarily be expected because the predictive system has not fully updated its internal model of reality. The implicit psychological narrative becomes, something happened, but my system continues to respond as though the disruption remains unresolved. Post-traumatic stress disorder represents a more profound alteration of threat processing following exposure to traumatic events involving actual or threatened death, serious injury, or sexual violence. In PTSD, traumatic memories remain highly salient and are insufficiently integrated into autobiographical memory. Rather than functioning solely as recollections of past events, these memories continue to activate physiological and psychological threat responses. Intrusive recollections, hypervigilance, exaggerated startle responses, avoidance behaviors, and persistent physiological arousal reflect a nervous system that repeatedly interprets present experience through the lens of unresolved trauma. The individual's implicit experience shifts from something might happen to something happened, and my nervous system continues to behave as though it is happening again, or could recur at any moment. PTSD therefore involves not merely remembering trauma, but anticipating future danger on the basis of incompletely processed past experience. These conditions may be distinguished according to their primary temporal orientation. Anticipatory anxiety is dominated by future uncertainty and the overprediction of potential threats. Adjustment disorder is centered on the present aftermath of significant life disruption and reflects difficulty restoring psychological equilibrium. PTSD integrates both past and future, as unresolved traumatic memories continually shape expectations about future danger. Although their temporal emphases differ, all three conditions involve alterations in the brain's capacity to update predictions in response to changing information. For this reason, it is misleading to conceptualize these disorders as opposite ends of a psychological continuum. A pendulum metaphor implies movement between two opposing emotional states. whereas these conditions are better understood as distinct patterns of dysregulation within a common adaptive system. A more appropriate conceptual model is that of a predictive engine responsible for continuously generating expectations about the environment. In anticipatory anxiety, this predictive system becomes excessively sensitive to uncertain future threats. In adjustment disorder, the system struggles to recalibrate following major life change. In PTSD, predictive processes become persistently influenced by traumatic memories, resulting in chronic anticipation of danger despite changes in the external environment. These represent different failures of flexibility rather than opposing psychological states. This framework also reveals a deeper conceptual relationship among the three conditions. Anticipatory anxiety may be understood as difficulty tolerating uncertainty before an event has occurred. Adjustment disorder reflects difficulty integrating and adapting to events that have already occurred. PTSD represents the persistent intrusion of past traumatic experiences into present perception and future expectation. Across all three conditions, the common challenge is not simply heightened emotion, but diminished flexibility in updating predictions, integrating new information, and regulating emotional learning. From this perspective, the shared mechanism is best understood as dysregulated prediction under conditions of perceived threat. Before a significant event, this dysregulation manifests as anticipatory anxiety. Following major life disruption, it may contribute to the persistence of adjustment disorder. Following trauma, it may become entrenched as PTSD, where past experience continuously shapes expectations of future danger. Understanding these conditions through the broader framework of predictive processing provides a unified conceptual model that links uncertainty, adaptation, memory, and emotional regulation while preserving the important clinical distinctions among them.